This is a 20 years old house which we are extending horizontally both in ground floor and first floor. Hello everyone, welcome to Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. I am Siddharth. In this video, I am going to show you how a horizontal extension can transform your space. Take a look at this old and cramped kitchen. We are extending this kitchen by demolishing the outer wall and taking in the passage available on the outside. This structural renovation adds more space to the kitchen, making it larger and gives us comfortable space for designing a functional modular kitchen. We are extending the living area by 3 feet, making it much larger space and designing a perfect TV unit for complementing the big space on this wall. This puja room is in need of Vastu Correction. So, we are demolishing this puja unit and creating a new puja unit towards east direction. The prayers offered in east direction brings in good luck and positive energies to a healthy home. The interior design of this house consists of a fully functional modular kitchen, wardrobes in the bedroom, puja unit and a modern TV unit. This is about the renovation in ground floor. Coming to the renovation in first floor. Our client is in need of bigger room space. So, we are extending the space by 4 feet, which gives us enough space to accommodate customized wardrobes on this southwest wall. So, this is about horizontal extension in home renovation. For old home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, architectural construction and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.